So did you know that you can use Google Meet to record your computer screen and teach a virtual lesson for your kids? I just had this brilliant idea today. It's a tool we're familiar with. It has no time limit. It's free. And in fact, I created this video using Google Meet. So here's how you do it. I'm going to walk you through every step of the process and show you a couple reasons why you might want to use this. But first, you want to go to a new tab and go to meet.google.com. Once there, you'll want to join or start a meeting because you're going to start a Google Meet with just yourself, but that's going to be how you record. So you're going to hit start and give it a name. So I'm going to call this sample lesson 5. And then I'm going to join. Now, I know nobody's in this meeting, but I'm going to go ahead and join it anyway because I want to do a meeting by myself to record my screen. All right, so once I'm here, I need to present my screen so that my screen is showing up in the Google Meet, just like you're seeing my screen now. So I would go to present my entire screen. Once I do that, I'm going to hit record, and I'm going to record the meeting. Now, once I record the meeting, in the top left, you'll see a red record button. Once that's red, you know that it is recording you just like you're seeing me now. What I love about it is you'll see your image over here on the right of your face. So kids will actually still see you talking to them, but they'll also see your screen. It's a great way to have side-by-side images to walk them through a process, and they can still see your face, which is much more personable when you're looking at virtual learning. So what are some uses for this? Well, I can come over here and I can teach a math lesson about using manipulatives to make the number 14. So I can move some manipulatives around. Maybe I want to walk them through a reading passage and have them highlight some text. So I can talk them through why I'm highlighting that text, talk them through some questions at the end. Maybe I want to walk them through iStation and show them how to log on to something. Whatever I want to show them on the computer screen, I can use Google Meet to do that and record my screen. And when I'm done, I just simply go down and click stop recording, and it will stop. And actually, I can probably show you here. Stop recording, and it will stop recording the video, and my video is done. So what do I do next? Well, after I've made my video, Google will send me that video in an email, and it takes some time to process the video, so it may be minutes, and depending on how long your video is, it might take a longer time, but they will send you your video in an email, and then you can open it up and you can watch it. So it's a great way to, just like it's a great way to record your computer screen and share that out with your students, have your face as part of it using a tool that is not only easy to use, but something you're already familiar with. All right, one day at a time, Athena. Have a great day.